it's me Shaleshwatkar and welcome to my channel FITMARINERETO. So one of my subscriber asked me one question which is very important. As a ETO you should know about this, and that question is what is ETO syllabus? Like when you are in pre-C training, that time what are the topics they cover, and what are your syllabus at the time of that 4 months PC training. Okay, so I try to cover all the topics because you should know all the things, and it's not just about the ETO. They will teach you a lot of things, and the first thing about the ETO you should know, because so many times ETO they ask this question in interview round or anywhere. So if any one of your friend, like suppose my friend is asking me like what is actually your job, so you should know this. So I just want to make sure you will have this much of idea what actually ETO do on board ship and what is his actual work. Okay, so ETO is the person who actually maintain, repair and make sure that that repair part will not come again to correct it again. Okay, so he will try to make sure that once that thing will repair, so another time it will not give same problem. So that's the main role of ETO. And onboard ship also he try to maintain that things only. There are three main things like maintenance, repair and make sure that same problem will not occur again and again. Okay, so this you should know at least. So if anybody of your contact or anyone of your friend will ask you like what are the ETO jobs, so you should know. So now you will know about it. Okay, and now let's start the video, and please watch completely so you will get idea about each and every parts on board ship and what about ETO learning phase during the 4 months of pre-C training. So means how much they try to cover in that 4 months, because merchant navy field is very big and very vast, so you have to take a lot of time to learn so many things, but in short time of period this ETO course they try to cover all the things in a short way manner. So focus on your own thing like electrical, electronic, control system. The syllabus, I want to tell you one thing that any ETO should know at least how the power generate and then distribute, and which are the machineries on board ship which consume that power, and how it will be consumed in a way of manner, like means how it distributed, and how the plan of maintenance each and every related to machineries. So let's start the syllabus. So I will read. Actually I don't remember all the things, but I want to tell you each and everything. So there's information in my book, so I will tell you by reading only. Okay, so the first important thing is that you should know basic understanding of operation of mechanical engineering system. Like in that you have a basic principle of IC engines, and there are you should, so it's already started with the mechanical things only, so you should know all about the engine and generator or any regarding all the things. Okay, so they will teach you about 2-stroke, 4-stroke engine on board ship, maneuvering system, fuel, lubricating and cooling water system and their controls. Okay, so all starting systems and their control requirements, so you will get all the idea about it by that doing that course. You will know all about the mechanical things also, remember that thing. Okay, and the auxiliary engines used for power generation, I told you this is very most important part, because any electrical officer they should know about this thing. Okay, and engine room auxiliary machinery like freshwater generator, pumps, all the pumps which are required on board ship, and then various heat exchangers, then air conditioning system, cargo refrigeration system, then instrument air dryers, ICCP, MGPS systems, air compressor, OWS, engine room blowers, workshop machineries, and IG system also. In tanker and tanker you will get this IG system. You should know about this thing, and boiler and so many things. Okay, so this is the second part, and the third one is steering system in which the SOLAS requirement for steering system. So like in merchant navy, this is the basic SOLAS regulation, you should know all about the SOLAS regulation. So for every machineries, there is some SOLAS regulation, so you should know, and you should work according to that only. So you will make sure that the machinery will not damage, or the machinery not will affect anything harmful in activities. So okay, so in steering system, arrangement of steering system, introduction of electro hydraulic steering gear. There are types of steering gear systems, so they will explain you all about this. Then 4 ram and 2 ram steering gears. After that, autopilot mode. In that steering gear system, there are a lot of things that will cover in another video, because these things are very much lengthy, and so many pages I need to cover. I will not make this video very long. I will try to make sure you will at least know the syllabus only. Okay, so next thing is cargo handling system. In that there are few topics like cargo pumps for tankers, Fremo system tankers, electrical cranes for bulk carrier. Actually, I have work on board ship in bulk carrier, so I have relate with this thing, electrical cranes, which are very most important on board ship while cargo discharging and loading time. Okay, so this all things you are studying na, that all will on board ship while you are working as an electrical officer. Okay, then the fifth one is the deck machinery, in which the anchors and anchors handling systems. Okay, so if you are ET officer, that doesn't mean you don't deck works. So like that, you have to know all the things, like in deck works also, like anchor handling system, windlass system, mooring winch. These are also, you have to make sure that you should know all about this. Okay, generator safety interlocks, shutdown, how you will shut down, how you will restart, everything you should know. Okay, so and whenever you go on board ship now, you have to ask your superior or seniors that how start the generator, or how I put on offload generator. These things, little things will help you a lot in your every contract, because once you have done one thing, that you will learn, so then that experience will help you in another ship. Okay, so I am talking too much, I think so. So hotel system like galley, mixes, hot plates, dishwashers, cooking range, chilled provision rooms, laundry systems, etc. So in that system, I want to tell you one thing, that whenever on board ship there is a low insulation alarm came, that time you have to check first the galley, hot plates. Most of the time it will come. So after that galley system, the 8th point is ship construction. So you will make sure that you will know all about the things about ship. After knowing all about the machineries, or after knowing about the deck machineries, you will not finish with it. You have to know all the details, like ship construction, ship maintenance, everything. Like you should know at least what we are calling right side or left side. Right side means what, starboard side, and left side means port side. Second one is shipyard machineries familiarization, like electrical drives, starter panels. Here we come. I think this is the main topic for any electrical officer. He should know while learning on board ship, or while learning in pre-sea training. He should know all these things. Okay, so make sure that you will listen all this carefully. Okay, the first thing is like electrical drives, starter panels including DOL, star delta, auto transformer, soft starters. These starters you should know thoroughly. Anytime, anywhere they will ask about this. Okay, and then the technology of electrical materials like conductors, insulation material, insulation class, hotspot temperature, IP ratings, EX ratings, different types of cables, creepage, insulation breakdown, all the things. If I will read, there are so many things, but you should know at least this thing. And that my subscriber, which one is really interested to know about this thing, because of him I am trying to give you all the details. Okay, and the next one is the electro hydraulic and pneumatic control system. So this is also important for every ETO. Okay, so the next one is transformer for shore supply, transformer or shore supply for ESB. So transformer, you should at least know about this. If you are an electrical person, you at least know about this. Okay, and anywhere, not in the onboard ship, transformer is the basic thing. Okay, shore supply for ESB, and so many things in that you will learn. And like battery maintenance. Wow, this is one is most important. Okay, the battery. So forget about the generator or engine room or emergency generator. So on board ship, if you fail all of them, then what will help you on board ship? Because blackout time you will survive without the battery maintenance. So you have to make sure you will read this thoroughly. The battery maintenance, in that they will teach you about principle of storage batteries, types, application, methods of charging, discharging or dip discharge, chargers, rectifiers, and all about this. And in onboard ship, whenever you are doing your Saturday routine, that time you have to check these things, and you have to maintain the battery and in very good condition, so you will make sure that any blackout situation time you will not worry about that much. It will help you out to give you proper supply or everything. Okay, so the next one is the normal and emergency lighting system. So this one thing, okay, I want to tell you one experience. So actually my bosun, so what happened, actually the surveyor came on board ship. There is one survey is going on board ship. So like I think we are in Haldia port, I think so, Haldia or Mangalore, I think so. So that time surveyor came and he asked any of crew member that what normal light and emergency light. So suppose any emergency situation happened like the blackout or anything, so which path you have to follow to exit or to get out of the that bridge or from anywhere from the accommodation to outside of the accommodation. So that light, this emergency light will help you out for finding the path, and the emergency lighting is very useful during the emergency situation. So so if you know the detail you want to know, then make sure you will make a difference between the normal light and emergency light. The normal light, they does not have any sticker or anything, but when you will see the emergency lighting na, so that time you will get the sticker of E and the circle around it. Okay, otherwise someone will make sure that they will cover they will make one red dot, the big one. So you will notice that and you will make sure that it is a emergency one. Okay, so this happened. Okay, then later on you will study main engine, auxiliary machinery, control systems, description of electrical controls on the main engine control system, then maneuvering system, conceptual, electronic mechanical governor for speed control, troubleshooting in electrical domain of engine. These are very helpful. That time when you are on board ship, any of this problem occurred, that time you will have to make sure that you will cope up with very fast, because at the time of leaving the port or going on port, that time you should make sure that this problem will not occur or not delay your departure or arrival. Okay, so OWS, and then troubleshooting in the electrical domain engines. So these are the topics like MGPS you should know, ICCP you should know, generator, alternator controls, how to start generator, paralleling, load sharing, how synchronization, that at least you should know. These are the important questions they will ask in interview. You should know in everywhere, like ETO should at least know these things. Okay, and the switchboard, relays, transducers, reverse power relay, generator, computer usage, means you have to know idea about all the computer things also, because means on my last trip they told me to do so many things regarding the computer also. If suppose any of a network failure or anything will happen, so I need to solve that things also. So nowadays ETO is not working as only electrical officer, ETO is working as an electro technical officer, and in which electro technical officer will work all the things like mechanical, electrical, automation, controls, everything, computer related also, all other works, everything you have to do. Then what after that, networks. like I have told you that network failure, you should have to know all about the things like switches, hubs, server, background backup software. Then communication from PC to PC, the satellite, SAT, GMDSS, the plant. Okay, then engine monitoring system. Knowledge or awareness about the external interfaces for the purpose of data collection, monitoring by third-party vendors such as the engine manufacturers, or predictive maintenance systems or condition based on the monitoring system. So many things. Okay, please guys, don't close this video, or don't do anything. Like, this is very important things for you. If you can't read, at least watch this video, it will help you a lot. I will make sure that. And the next one is the electrical practices and safe working. This thing, whenever the safe working comes in mind, this PPE, personal protective equipment, need to come in your mind. Okay, so what are the PPE? They will ask in your oral interview, everywhere. You should know all about the things. Okay, so I will not elaborate more about the PPE. I will just tell you the detail, like personal protective equipment. In that, so many things like helmet and all other things, I will tell you later. Okay, I will make sure that I will make one another video also. Okay, so next one is communication skill, things like maintenance, detection of PLC SCADA based system. Oh my god, that PLC SCADA system was very good, and I will tell you that this work will make me happy, because these things are very much interesting. If you want to learn, you have that passion inside you na, that you want to know thoroughly in electrical or electronics, this field will help you a lot. Okay, so I will not elaborate all the things. I will make sure I will make another video and I will put all the details. Okay, let's continue. The ninth one is the bridge electronic equipments. In that, the GMDSS. Okay, and then radar is very necessary on board ship. UMS operation, banwas, dead man alarm, watchkeeper alarm system. I will tell you all the details later on. Okay, these are the things which you should know, and they will try to cover these things in your PC training. If you are not getting full detail about it now, they will at least tell you the detail about that machinery or that part, what it will actually do, and what it is actually need to do, and how it work. Everything they will try to tell you in small way, because in four months period they will not cover everything. They try to cover it, but it will not possible, and there are placement also, so you will not get chance to learn so many things, but try to make sure that you will learn a lot of things. Okay, then later on, the windlass mooring winches, then tank gauging systems, fixed gas detection system, alarm monitoring consoles. These are very important in your Saturday routine. Okay, hotel electrical system, accommodation power system, galley equipment, ship's refrigeration system, air conditioning, motor overhauls. Motor overhauls you need to know. Motor overhauls is the basic, like for any electrical officer, you should know about it. Okay, laundry equipments. These are the jobs you have to do on board ship also. Like, suppose your washing machine is not working on board ship, so you should know at least how to start this machine working properly. These are the comes in your work only. The washing machine or any electrical appliances on board ship, all other things are working in your hand only. You have to repair it, you have to maintain it, and you have to make sure that anyone will not damage it, because anyone will damage, you have to only repair it, or you will get all the blames, because if he will not claim that I have done the wrong thing, but you have to make sure that that thing will work properly. Otherwise it will take time to inform the company and get a new one. Okay, so there are other things also they will try to cover it in your pre-C training, like organization structure and interdependence, job profile awareness, ISO quality system, like all other things. Then 14 point is fire detection system. Fire detection and control system, you should know. In every Saturday routine I have checked this all fire detection alarm, and believe me, it will be very helpful in some situation where fire got catched or anything will happen. So that time you will not need to worry So you will check that every Saturday, that whenever any such incident happen, that it will make sure that it will raise alarm and we will aware about it, okay, automatically. Type of fire sensors like ionization type, rate of rise type, heat type sensor, testing methods for routine. I told you that every Saturday routine you have to check. And then the last one is the hazardous zones or areas. So hazardous zones and hazardous areas, slightly difference between both of them. So you should know about it. I will tell you in later on all other things. This is only I want to make sure that you will know all this syllabus, and I have make sure that I have complete all the syllabus topic which you will learn on C training. Okay, so that's it only. I think so we covered all the syllabus for 4 months ETO training. So the thing is that, like, if you are doing that pre-C training on in any institute, these are the topic they will cover, and they will make sure that you will learn, because these are the topics which are helpful for you to do a job on board ship, and these are the topics which will make sure, which will tell you all the details what kind of works you have to do on board ship. I hope you will like this video, you will subscribe my channel, and you will share with all of your friends, and they will get the information what are the actual syllabus in the time of the pre-C training. And I try to cover all the things, but due to the long time span, I will not cover all the details in very deep way, but I will try to make sure that whenever I am on board ship, I will personally I will tell you each and every machineries and detail about it, so you will get more ideas. And I will try to put pictures on this video also. So please like my videos, subscribe my channel, and comment what are the important for ETO. I will try to make sure that I will upload on my channel, so please subscribe. And sorry for all the delay. Actually, I am facing some family issues, and I don't know how I make this video, but I don't want to disconnect or detached from you, my YouTube family. Actually, this time is very hard time for me, but I am trying to cope up with all of the things, and trying to do all the things which I can do. Thank you. Thanks a lot.